states that write a query using inner and outer join. Now the practical significance is the join clause allows the student to work with more than one table. Students should be able to combine and the columns from two or more tables based on column values. The relevant program outcomes covered through this practical are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, individual and teamwork, communication. Competency and practical skills. This practical skill will help to develop the following skill, that is applying the inner joins on two tables, applying the outer joint, that is the left, right and full join on more than one table, and displaying the different combinations of results of different table. Relevant course outcomes: create and manage database using the SQL commands. Practical outcomes: execute the queries for the implementation of inner join and outer join. Relevant affective domain outcomes: follow safety measures and follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background required is inner join and outer join. This we have covered in our theoretical section, so you can refer to the videos of this joins. Procedure: to create two tables using appropriate software and write and execute queries for inner join, left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. These are the resources required for performing the experiment. Precautions: all SQL statement must end with a semicolon. White space used in SQL to describe the blanks and tabs, and follow safety practices. These are the resources that we have actually used: the system configuration, Windows 10 version and the SQL. So starting with the practical. So first I am displaying the content of the employee table. So select star from employee. So this is the table that we have for the employee, in which we have up to 9 rows. Similarly, this is for department table. So select star from department. So these are the 4 entries for the department. Now we are going to use, that is we are going to join the employee table and the department table. So this is the query that we are writing. So here what I am doing is select employee.emp number. Now we are using here the table name because we are combining the two tables. So it is necessary to identify the column name which belongs to which table. So this is what the table name .emp number. It is like a creating a object what we do. So that which means that the EMP number belongs to the employee table. Similarly, employee.ename and employee.hire date. So this indicates that from an employee table we are referring to the EMP number, ename and hire date column, and department.location. So location will be from the department table. Means I want to find the employee number, his name, his hire date and the location where he resides from the employee inner join department. So I am making a join here, employee, that is join to the department on employee.emp number equal to department.emp number. Now this is the condition, means I want to match the employee number that is present in the department table to the employee number present in the employee table. Now here one thing that you have to remember is that whenever you are joining a two table, you should have at least one column that is common to both the table. So in this case we have EMP number which is present in both the table. So once I complete this query, I will get some output as like this. So EMP number, ename and hire date. So this record is from the employee table, and the location. So as we have seen in department, we have only 4 entries. So wherever there is a match, only that entries are displayed. So in both the table where the employee number was 1, so only that record is displayed. Where the employee number was 4, so there was a match, so that was displayed. Employee number 6, there was a match, then it was displayed. And for the employee number 7, there was a match, so that will be displayed. So for the other employees, since there was no match, it will not be displayed. This happens for your inner join. Next, coming to the left join, we are using the same column names, but here we have to keep focus on the tables where you are writing. So employee left join department. So since it is a left join, all the records from the left table, that is your employee, will be considered. Then for the right hand side, the department table, wherever there is a match, there will be a record, there will be a value. If there is a no match, then it will be a blank. So we will just see the output of this. See, here we can see here, because we have done the left join. So first what it will do, it will first display the all the contents where there is a match. So for employee number 1, so we have match in department table, so we got a location. For 6, 7 and 4 also we got a match, so we got a location. But for the other employees like 5, 8, 3, 10 and 9, there was a no match in department table, so we do not have any location here. So it is blank. See, we can see here. So the employee table was on the left hand side. So employee table, the left hand side table, we have all the record. For right hand side table, only where there is a match, it will show you the value. Where there is a no match, it will show you the blank. So this is what your left join is. Moving towards the right join. Now what I have done here is I have put department here on the left hand side and employee on the right hand side. So which means what it will do, it will again on the right hand side is the employee table. So it will display all the record from the employee table, and then wherever there is a match for a department, it will show the values, and wherever there is a no match, it will show me the blank. So in this case also I am getting the same response because I have changed the places of this employee and department table. Means the table on the right hand side, I have the complete record. So that was employee table, so that's why I got a complete record. And the table on the left hand side, only where there is a match, there will be a value. Where there is a no match, there will be no value. Now considering the same, if I write in the same manner, like employee on the left, this is again a right join, but this time I am writing employee on the left and department on the right. So what it states that since it is a right join, so the record from the right hand side table will be complete. Wherever there is a match from the left hand side, we will have value. If there is no value, then we will be having a blank. So this time I am getting only the 4 records. Why? Because in department table I have only 4 values. I have only 4 values. So left hand side table is complete. Sorry, right hand side table is complete, and from the left hand side, wherever there is a match, there will be a record. So this is how, just see the difference between the both the queries. Both we have done the right join, but here we have returned a employee on the left hand side, department on the right hand side. So we got only 4 entries. In the previous example, we have seen department was on the left hand side, employee was on the right hand side. So at that time, since it is right join, so all the record from the employee was there. So we had almost 9 entries there. Then coming to the full join, same query, just I have changed here to full join. So it will, what it will do, in the same sequence, like because from the left hand side we have employee, so it will show the employee table completely, and wherever there is a match, there will be a value. If there is a no match, there will be no value. Like for employee number 10, we don't have any match, so it will be blank. For employee number 3, there is a no match, so it will be blank. Like employee number 6, we have a match, so it is giving me the value. So here it is following the same sequence as it is in the employee table. But when we have seen the inner join, what it was doing, it will just select the rows that are matching. Then in the left join and right join, first it will display the rows that are matching, and after that it will display the rows that are not matching. So this is how your join works. Then practical related questions, so you have to perform the different queries. So we have used the same table, so you can refer to the experiments that we have performed here. And these are some exercise. So again, perform right join, inner join, left join. Again here also we have to perform left outer and right join. So if you have any queries regarding a join, you can refer to the theoretical videos, or you can contact me. Thank you.